I'll tell you in person. I don't want the stream to spoil.
Yeah, come on, fuck you.
And I'll hook it up with a giant
movie ticket.
Holy shit!
Yeah, the last one's of a chainsaw guy. Just wanted to let you know.
thanks for the heads up.
Are you dead, Chris?
No. Oh, there he is.
I literally.
Fandango isn't
I'm about
good
to
sight.
This guy's like, he always goes for me. Yep, I called it. He always goes for me. They have like personal vendettas against fucking medics.
I was like, I heard him walking. I was like, okay, well, he's not near me.
I'm pretty sure a guy just fell off the map.